Hi, I'm Marlon, and I've been wanting to have a nice Les Paul guitar for a while, but the price is kind of high. So I decided to get a solo kit and some GuitarFetish parts and build one and upgrade it with locking tuners, a bone nut, boutique humbuckers, and also strap locks. So anyway, watch the video, and at the end I'll show you how this guitar sounds.
Here is an overview of the solo Les Paul guitar kit. The cost of the kit was $168.98. Here is an overview of the replacement parts and components. Total cost of these was $206.45. Parts consisted of 2 boutique humbuckers, bone nut, locking tuners, Kwikplug, wiring harness, and strap locks. The board was covered with painter tape, and the neck was sanded with number 180, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks. Six coats of Tru-Oil finish were applied to the neck over a period of several days. The locking tuners were installed. All of the holes had been pre-drilled. The frets were polished with steel wool. The fret ends didn't need to be filed. Plastic nut was removed with a small screwdriver and a brass hammer. The bone nut was then glued into place with super glue. Kwikplug wiring harness was installed. The output jack was installed and screwed into place. Boutique humbuckers were connected to the Kwikplug wiring harness. The bushings for the tailpiece and tunematic bridge were tapped into place using a brass hammer and a wooden dowel. The ground wire was entrapped by the bushing for the tunematic bridge that is nearest to the volume pots. The electronics were tested using a screwdriver and amplifier, then the pickups were screwed into place. The electronic compartment covers, switch tip, and knobs were installed. The strap locks were installed. The truss rod cover was screwed into place. The neck was attached to the body using 4 screws. The pickguard was installed. The guitar was strung, string height was adjusted along with the intonation. This is how the finished guitar looks. Total cost of the project was $375.43.
Let me demonstrate the pickups. I'm going to start with the bridge pickup, go through the middle position, then the neck pickup, and let's see how this sounds here. Let's have a little bit of fun now, okay? As you can see from this video, it's possible to build a Les Paul guitar for under $500 with upgrades such as locking tuners, strap locks, and boutique humbuckers, which are features you don't normally find on a Les Paul. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.